Hi guys, if you have questions, email me or write a comment. Okay, I'm gonna talk about solving exponential equations. From its name, exponential, this means that we are gonna have exponents, powers. Well, the basic thing here is when I say 2 to the power of x is equal, for example, to 2 cubed, what is the value of x? Definitely x should be equal to 3, or these two expressions will not be equal. So for sure x should be equal to 3 in order to have them equal. So this will be the main idea. In order to solve an exponential equation, you should try to make the bases the same, and then you look at the exponents. So let's say I'm gonna have this example. Let's say we have 2 to the power of x equals 8. Now we don't have the same base, so what should I do? I have to think of making them the same. We have 2 to the power of x and we have 8. What do we know about 8? Can we turn 8 into 2 to the power of something? Yes, actually. 2 to the power of x equals, we all know that 8 is 2 cubed, which means x should be equal to 3. So immediately x equals 3. Okay, what about this example? 4 to the power of x equal 8. Here's the problem. Can we make 8 4 to the power of something? Of course not. What can I do? We have to think in both sides actually now. 4 can be written as 2 squared, and all of that to the power of x. And 8 also can be written as 2 cubed. So let's have a look now. 2 to the power of 2 to the power of x. This means 2 to the power of 2x. Power to another power, we multiply them. Equals 2 to the power of 3. Now we have same bases, which means exponents should be the same. So 2x equals 3, which means x in this case is equal to 3 over 2. What about, let's say, this one? 9 to the power of x equals 3 to the power of 3x minus 4. Is it the same? Yes, actually. 9 can be written as 3 squared. So this will be 3 to the power of 2 all to the power of x equal 3 to the power of 3x minus 4. Now 3 to the power of 2 to the power of x, this means 3 to the power of 2x equals 3 to the power of 3x minus 4. In this stage we have same bases and they are equal, which means exponents should be equal to. So 2x should be equal to 3x minus 4. How do we solve this? We combine like terms, we put them all on one side. So 3x minus 2x, that will be, let me write it, 3x minus 2x should be equal to, we move 4 to the other side, should equal to 4, which means x equal 4. Okay, what if we have 4 to the power of 2x equal 1 over 8? Now what should I do? I have to think the same way. So 4 is 2 squared all to the power of 2x equal, don't get scared because 8 is in denominator. We have properties of exponents, so we have 2 to the power of 3 in denominator. To take it up, it will be 2 to the power of negative 3. So this will be 2 to the power of 4x equal 2 to the power of negative 3. Again, we have same bases, which means exponents are equal. So 4x equal negative 3, which means x equal negative 3 over 4. Nice. Let's do this one. One over 4 to the power of 2x minus 1 equals 1 over 8 to the power of 11 minus x. Same thing. So 1 over 2 squared all to the power of 2x minus 1 equal 1 over 2 cubed all to the power of 11 minus x. Now take the 2 up, so this will be 2 to the power of negative 2 all to the power of 2x minus 1 equal 2 to the power of negative 3 all to the power of 11 minus x, which means 2 to the power of negative 4x minus 1 equal 2 to the power of negative 33 plus 3x. Now same bases, so exponents are the same. This means negative 4x minus 1 equal negative 33 plus 3x. Put them all on one side. 3x with 4x, so that's 7x equal negative 1 plus 33, that's 32. So x equal 32 over 7. Okay, what if it's not easy to make the bases the same, or it's impossible to make the bases the same? Let's say 2 to the power of x equal 7, for example. How would I do this? Well, that's not hard. How am I gonna take this down? Well, these are taken down by logarithms. So you can apply the log or the len on both sides. You have the option either log to base 10 or len, since we have both buttons on the calculator. Either one. So let's do len, for example. Len 2 to the power of x equals len 7. Now by the properties of logarithms, the power will go down, so this will be x len 2 equals len 7, which means x will be equal to len 7 over len 2. This is the exact answer, and if you want an approximation, you can just use your calculator. Another example on this, let's say that we have e to the power of 19 x plus 3 equals 23. Wow, that's e. Don't get scared. E is just like any other number. It's 2.718. So that's normal. Again, but before you apply len, what should you do? We have to get rid of the 3. So this will be e to the power of 19x equals 23 minus 3. That's 20. Now it's just like this one. So what should you do? Take len or log. In this case, of course, both will work, but len will be much better since the base is already e. So len e to the power of 19x equals len 20. Now len e to the power of 19x, by the properties of len, this will be immediately 19x. Or if you take the 19x and multiply it by len, len e is equal to 1. So that's equal to len 20 divided by 19. X will be equal to len 20 over 19. In general, this is how to deal with exponential equations. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and write your questions via email or comments.